How to allow others to share posts to story. So if this video helped, please click on the subscribe button and also consider to allow that notification bell icon on so you'll be updated here on our channel. First, go to your account or your profile. Once in your profile, you can click on the three lines in the top right corner of the app. And after that, what you would do is go to settings and privacy. So you can scroll down for a bit after tapping on that and go to account privacy. And make sure that your account is a public or not private. If it is private, it may have restrictions on your stories. Next is also scroll down for a bit and go to manage messages and story replies. So in here you can go to story replies, and in here you can allow story replies from everyone. So that would also allow them to share your stories. And also here from tags and mentions, always allow it for everyone to avoid restrictions. So I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.